what's the fastest way to increase your monthly income through the stock market? Well, obviously, it's through increasing your margin or your leverage. Most people don't understand that a brokerage account comes with purchasing power that's 4 times your dollar amount. So I made other videos on this, but you put in $1, you get 4. You put in $1,000, you get $4,000. So you should use some of that margin to increase your income per month. Just juice it a little bit more. So that's the fastest way to increase your monthly income right off the bat and through the stock market, is just to increase your margin level. Okay, I'm running about a couple $100,000 in margin right now, just to give you full disclosure, and you can see my other videos on that, and I'm going to make more videos in the future on all the aspects of margin and leverage and increasing your passive income through a brokerage account in the stock market. So that's the first way, is obviously increase your leverage. It's the fastest and easiest way. Okay. The second way to increase your monthly income in the stock market is buy index names, okay, that are linked to major indexes like the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. You buy indexed names that yield safe dividend yields, about between 9 and 12% is what they're yielding right now, and you buy them because you can afford to leverage them more, since they're safer instruments. So since they're indexed, you can afford to use more margin and take up your margin because you're buying index securities that are safe. Okay, you don't do this with individual stocks or risky high yielding companies. You do this only with names that are indexed and are safe and are highly rated by Morningstar. So that's the second thing you do. So first thing you do, increase your margin, increase your leverage. Second thing you do, obviously buy index names so that you can afford to actually put more behind the name and get more leverage safely. The third thing you do to increase monthly income through the stock market is buy low maintenance names. What this means is, for every $1,000 that you put in the stock market and you buy a stock, $250 would be reserved for a 25% maintenance stock. So you want to stick with low maintenance stocks that have 25 to 30% maintenance levels, versus riskier stocks and riskier funds that have higher maintenance levels, around 75-100%. If you have $100,000 in an account and you invest in a 100% maintenance name, you have zero equity left to play with. So you have zero margin and leverage to increase your earnings with. If you get with low maintenance names and stick with only high quality instruments like an S&P or NASDAQ, the ones I just listed before this, indexed names, you can take your maintenance levels and keep them essentially low across the board and leave 70% more equity to play with in the process. Okay, so I'm going to make more videos on maintenance, and I'm going to make more videos on how to increase and decrease your margin safely, and and I'm going to obviously have a ton of videos on which vehicles to buy, which have higher yields and lower yields, and what's their rate them according to their safety and quality. So we're going to do that, and plus you can subscribe to my portfolio, to my channel and my portfolio, and see what I own. But these are all things to look forward to down the road. I just wanted to make a quick video about the ways that you can increase your monthly income in the stock market the fastest. Okay, and those are 3 ways. Okay, increase your leverage, buy index names so you can afford to put more money behind it safely, and do it in low maintenance names so you can keep as much equity for yourself to do whatever you want with later. You can even take your margin up to higher levels if you want, but that's sort of risky, and we'll talk about that again in further videos. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hit like or subscribe. If you want more things like this, they're coming your way. Stay patient with me on my editing, process. I'm new. These are all raw videos, but the material should be good and you should like it. Everyone should be able to benefit from this kind of information. It should be able to change your life right away. The information I just gave on, if you act on it right now, will immediately change your life, and it's possible because a brokerage account is free and available for everyone to access, and you just simply put your $1 and $1 and you get your 4, you increase your margin, you buy index names, you do it with low maintenance names. Now you're already in business for yourself and you're one step closer to financial freedom. Again, hope you liked the video. Take care. Bye-bye.